What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Big John's Cooking. Today we're doing some homemade baked beans. Let's do this. Alright, for my baked beans, I got my beans. They've already been soaking overnight. Gonna boil them for about an hour and a half. Chop up my onion, my bell pepper. I got some jowl meat over there, some tomato paste, some mustard. Gonna throw some of that molasses in there, some brown sugar. Make up us a good sauce for the beans, and gonna stick them off in the oven, let them go, let them thicken up. We're gonna be ready to roll. Stay with me. Alright, I'm gonna start my jowl meat in a cold pan. We're gonna keep it on the medium low. Render as much of that fat out of there as we can, and then we'll add our onions and our peppers. Stay tuned. Alright, get the peppers in here, our onions. We're gonna let these slowly sweat down, soften up, and as that happens, we're gonna create our sauce. So hold on, let's get this done. Alright, I got these where I want them. We're gonna cool these down and create our sauce. Alright, over medium-low heat, we're going to put in about a half a cup of molasses. Yeah, we're going to eyeball it. That looks pretty good to me. About 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Get that mixed all in. To that, we're going to add some Dijon mustard. Let's get a clean spoon for that. Rinse this off a little bit, and we're going to go with about a tablespoon and a half of the Dijon. And we're going to add a cup of brown sugar to that. So let me get my brown sugar and add that in. Alright, and then goes our brown sugar. I'm going to back this down to low. It's all mixed in, looking good. Our beans are done. I'm gonna get this all mixed up and add our flavors together. Now you can use regular bacon. I just use the jowl meat because I want some big chunks. If you can get a hold to use some slab bacon and cut it up into chunks, that would work perfectly. We'll just crumble up some regular bacon up in here, fry it up in nice little bits, and have it throughout. However you feel you want your beans to come out like. That's looking awesome. Let's give that a taste. Beautiful. I need a little pinch of salt. Let's do that and get our beans together. Along with that little pinch of salt, I may add just a drizzle of liquid smoke. Give me a little bit more smokiness there. Turn this off. Let's get our beans and bring this all together. Alright. I forgot a step because I reserved some of the cooking liquid from my beans, because I was noticing this was really thick, and I was like, man, how am I going to incorporate all this thickness into my beans without, really mushing my beans up? And I thought about it, and I'm like, oh man, my reserved liquids from my beans. So let's add that in. Just to thin it up a hair. And this is going to allow everything to seep in. So I'm going to turn this up to medium and let them bean juices heat through. And while that's heating up, we're going to get our beans and get them panned up, and we'll be back. Alright, we got our beans here. Let's turn this up. Add our sauce to this. Smells awesome. Let's put this pan away. Alright. Just gonna move this around a little bit. We got our oven preheated, 375. And the beans are pretty much cooked. So what we're gonna do here, and I only let these go for an hour. And they're not mushy, but they just got a little bit of bite to them. So we only need to cook them probably about, say, 20-30 minutes. Just enough for our sauce to thicken up a little bit, and we'll be ready. Stay tuned. Alrighty, beans are out the oven, looking absolutely delicious. I know these flavors are great. So, let's give them a taste. Beans are still firm. It's got a good bite to it. Getting a little bit of that hickory smoke of that liquid smoke I put on there. Not too sweet. I think they're spot on. I don't believe I'm gonna ever buy canned beans again. I like this. So if you like this, give me a thumbs up. Tell a friend about me. Subscribe if you have not. Leave me a comment. If you think you got a better recipe, tell me about it, and we'll discuss it. So till next time, we'll see you later.